what is going to happen to interest rates in 2024. Hey guys, I'm Tim. I'm your real estate expert, and I have compiled a bunch of data from different trusted sources to come up with an explanation for you guys of what their prediction of interest rates are going to do. And at the end, I've got a pro tip and my breakdown of what I think. As 2024 approaches, the landscape of mortgage interest rates are poised for a significant shift. According to the Mortgage Bankers Association, November 2023 mortgage finance forecast, they predict 30-year rates will start around 7.1% and then gradually decline into the low sixes, as low as 6.1%. And they even see it going as low as 5.5% in 2025. Adding to this perspective, James Knightley from ING foresees the Federal Reserve beginning to cut interest rates as early as the second quarter of 2024. His predictions include up to 25 basis points, so 6 times cutting 25 basis points, totaling 150 basis points, which is 1.5% on your interest rate, and further reductions into 2025. Factors with with inflation being moderated, a cooling job market, and changes in consumer spending, people are not spending near as much. That aligns with the sentiment that the Fed feels like they need to be a little more aggressive when they're cutting their interest rates to keep the economy going strong. Echoing the same sentiment, Barclays project a series of cuts to the U.S. central bank starting at the beginning of next year. They're anticipating reductions of 25 basis points about every other meeting, which would be about 6. So they're about in the same line. This would set the funds target about 5 and 5.25 by the end of 24. And future, they predicting it's going to be as low as 4 to 4.25 in 2025. While these forecasts provide a glimpse of the future, remember that these are based on the current market conditions that can change. Stay informed and consult a financial expert before you take any of these, literally. Because just like me, these guys don't have a crystal ball. I have just listened to and studied people who do this for a living. They're experts. This is all they do. So all I can do is trust them. So some advice from a real estate expert. If you are looking for the deal, when interest rates drop, you are not going to be able to find the deal. All the buyer demand that was in the market is still there. It's just pent up because of high interest rates. Either people can't afford to move now, or they don't want to do the interest rate. They don't want to swap a lower interest rate for a higher interest rate. So when interest rates start dropping, you're going to see millions of buyers get into the market. And what they're going to do is they're going to gobble up all the inventory. So the inventory is on the market. It's going to be very limited. And we know what happens in limited inventory market because we've just come out of that. We're going to see multiple offers. We're going to see more competition, and we're going to see it harder to get a deal, even though interest rates are lower. Pro tip, my suggestion, if you believe with these economists saying that interest rates are going to drop, which most things are pointing in that direction, you can buy now where you can negotiate a deal. It's easier to negotiate terms, negotiate price, and then if and when interest rates drop, you can refinance at that time. That is your only win-win that you have in this scenario. Hey guys, I'm Tim. I'm your trusted real estate expert. If you are considering buying or selling in this market and you want to consult with an expert, message me, email me at tim@mybrokerage.com, and I'd be happy to meet with you. Remember, who you work with matters, and have a great day.